Hi. Today you will be convinced that good deeds are not always good, and also that having excess weight can one day cost you your life. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
The next video in this compilation looks like it was directed by professional stuntmen. Spoiler, it's not. Everything was really happening. In the sky over the US state of Wisconsin at an altitude of 3.5 kilometers, two planes flew side by side. In total, they had 11 people on board. 9 parachutists and 2 pilots. Nothing unusual, ordinary flight. It was like that until the two planes got too close to each other. There was a collision. One of the planes almost instantly lost its wing and crashed down. This story was captured in detail by a Gopro camera mounted on the helmet of one of the parachutists. Fortunately, everyone had parachutes on the plane that fell to the ground. Realizing that the aircraft was doomed, the pilot simply jumped out with the rest of the skydivers. Despite the danger, the parachutists from the second plane also preferred to jump, although their plane was not so badly damaged, and the pilot managed to land it safely in the field. Fortunately, none of the 11 participants in these terrible events were injured. Sometimes a sincere desire to help leads to the most unexpected results. The man who shot this video found a strange trap in a snow-covered field in which a baby moose got caught. Judging by the tag on the ear, this animal has long been observed in the local forestry. Anyway, after the solemn release, the calf is in no hurry to get away. Instead of running into the forest, he turns around and rushes at his savior. If it seems to you that a small moose cannot cause damage to a person, then you are mistaken. Fortunately, the angry cub got tired quickly, so the author of the video got off easy. It's never too late to go on an adventure. So Brian Garcia and his friends decided to play subway tunnel explorers. Most of the video looks monotonous and boring. Guys wander through the tunnels, nothing special happens. But the thirst for adrenaline takes over, and soon the company decides to go deeper into the intricate loops of tunnels inside the mountain. It's completely dark here, and the guys' road is now illuminated only by flashlights on their phone and the illumination of the GoPro camera. Everyone is constantly looking around. No one wants to meet a huge train in such a narrow tunnel. But it's inevitable, don't you think? And now the guys really hear that frightening sound behind them. In a panic, they rush to the nearest exit. They were very lucky. The whole company managed to jump out of the tunnel just a few seconds before a passenger train would have raced through them. Diving on the coast of South Africa is a dangerous thing. Johan Papgater, the author of the following video, also knew about this. The guy decided to go underwater fishing armed only with a harpoon and a faithful action camera. A few minutes after the dive, Johan realized that he was not alone, and his affairs were bad. A huge white shark appeared from the depths, which was clearly interested in eating the diver. The shark was in no hurry to attack, clearly fearing the harpoon, which the panicked guy poked the predator several times. A terrified Johan surfaced and tried to call for help. But when he lowered his head into the water, he realized that the shark had not gone anywhere, it was getting closer and closer. Fortunately, Johan did not drop his underwater weapon, and he managed to defend himself from the shark until his comrades on the boat arrived. Have you ever been afraid to get into a bottleneck and get stuck there? But some consider it worthy entertainment. In this video, Bob Johnson and his friends explore the remote corners of one of the largest cave complexes in Britain. In order to continue their journey, they all need to overcome a narrow stone tunnel, which local speleologists decided to call not very original. A pipe. Bob was the second in the chain and the largest in the company, and it was he who was unlucky. The man was stuck in the pipe. At first, the other members of the group found this situation extremely funny and made fun of Bob for a long time. Fortunately, everything ended well. Bob managed to get out. The group immediately continued their research by taking a different route. Parasailing is considered one of the safest types of extreme sports. Of course, because it is offered at almost all popular resorts. But the organizers of such entertainment can only be responsible for the technique of flight and landing. Unfortunately, they cannot control the sharks. The girls quickly notice that their landing may well not be so safe. Fortunately, everything went well and the girls managed to be pulled right onto the boat. That's what GoPro cameras were originally invented for. So that adrenaline seekers can attach them to their helmets or suits and then give viewers a chance to feel their unique experience without risking their lives. A vivid example of such a gift can be a recording of Kellum Gary's unique journey, filmed in 2013 during the Next Extreme Festival from Red Bull. For Kaylee, potentially dangerous riding on rocky ledges didn't seem fun enough. The guy decided to make a backflip right during his journey down the huge slopes. Fortunately, a suitable springboard was soon found for this. It is not known what the extreme would have decided if he had not found a worthy task for himself, but the audience appreciated the risk. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has lifted your mood at least a little during your lunch break. If so, then leave your like, write any comment and subscribe. There are a lot of interesting things ahead. See you soon. Peace.